Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered about playing your favorite mobile game, Clash Royale, with a guitar? It definitely sounds like a wild idea, something completely impossible, but surprisingly, with the right tech, it's actually achievable. Get ready to dive into a revolutionary way to experience your favorite strategy game, completely redefining how you play Clash Royale in 2025. The core concept behind this incredible feat relies heavily on MIDI technology. Imagine your guitar's notes and strums transforming directly into digital commands, not just musical sounds. This clever translation allows your unique musical input to seamlessly control various in-game actions, turning every strum into a strategic move within Clash Royale. It truly opens up a new dimension of gameplay. To get started, you'll need a few essential pieces of gear and software. First, a MIDI-enabled guitar is ideal, or you can use a standard electric guitar paired with a MIDI pickup and interface. Next, a digital audio workstation, or DAW, like Ableton Live, will act as your central control hub. Finally, specialized mapping software is crucial for connecting your guitar's signals directly to the game's commands. Once your equipment is connected, the real fun begins: mapping controls. You'll assign specific guitar notes or chords to distinct Clash Royale actions. For example, a low E string could deploy a giant, while a high G note might activate your arrows spell. This setup requires creative thinking and, of course, consistent practice. Developing that muscle memory on your fretboard is absolutely key to truly mastering this unique control scheme. For advanced players, consider experimenting with expression pedals to achieve super precise troop placement on the arena. You can even use sustain pedals to hold down multiple commands simultaneously, adding more complexity. We encourage you to connect with other guitar gamers online, sharing your unique setups and strategies. Embrace this incredibly innovative way to play and truly redefine your Clash Royale gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.